I couldn't bend down for 6 weeks. I had to pretty much sit on the couch, and I couldn't sleep because I was on so many medications just to keep the swelling down. I lost my hair. I spent hours in the mirror, like pulling my hair out and throwing it in the sink. Gone bald, got a wig. My original oncologist I met told me I had 3 years to live. And with, my sons, that was terrible. It was really hard, really hard. On Christmas Eve, we were getting excited about Santa's arrival for our kids the next day. I got into bed thinking I was going off for a nice, peaceful sleep. When I fell asleep, I had a dream where I tripped, and as I tripped, I usually jolt and wake up. However, this time I jolted and it turned into a grand mal seizure. I was out cold and don't remember a thing for 45 minutes. We were instantly transferred to our local hospital, where they ran a CT scan and discovered a shadow on my brain. They didn't know what it was. We made the move to a private hospital and I had surgery the following day. My tumour couldn't be removed due to the size, the location and complexity of the tumour. I got the results a couple of days later saying that it was brain cancer. It was a stage 3 anaplastic astrocytoma. Our lives were instantly ripped apart. We had a beautiful house, a happy family, and then you get handed a diagnosis. I did 12 months of oral chemotherapy. All the while my oncologist telling me that it's not gonna make a difference. Unfortunately, brain cancer statistics are terrible. Thankfully, we had a fantastic support system with our friends and family. Due to my sister-in-law following a girl on Instagram, she followed a shop in Burleigh Heads in Queensland, and this shop was owned by Kate. And Kate, she's had a 75% reduction in her primary lung tumour. So I messaged Kate and I said, look, I'm not sure if you're available, but this is my story, and would you be willing to catch up so I can hear a little bit more about sort of what's going on? She's like, yeah, come meet me for a smoothie. So I was like, okay, so it's different. Usually like, meet me for a coffee, meet me for a wine. So we met for a smoothie. And she's just like, well, what's going on? What do you know? What don't you know? And I'd never heard of anything like Hope4Cancer. And when she was telling me about it, I was amazed. It's all natural, non-toxic, nothing can hurt you. It's completely aimed to build your immune system, not kill it. She's like, you need to get there. And I was like, yeah, but I want to do this and then I want to do that. And she's like, no, you go now. Those things, you can do them after. They're not important. You get to Hope4Cancer now. You get one chance at life and you've got to make it count. And when you've got 2 young boys, you can't leave. You need to be there for them. So I had to go and book flights and organise myself and organise the kids, and we're on a plane in here. I didn't know what to expect. I was really, really nervous. I knew Kate was coming, but she wasn't coming until my 2nd week. I came in the first day. I was loved from the minute I got off the bus. I was hugged as I came in the door. And everyone was really friendly and really loving and welcoming, and they look after you in the sense of they take you around, they feed you amazingly beautiful, healthy food, they teach you so much. Your doctor sees you every day. You're not in a hospital bed waiting for hours to see a doctor for 2 seconds. He's here, he's next to you when you need him. It's amazing. It's unlike anything else. Here you're sitting next to people and you can chat to people and you're meeting people from all walks of life, all different ages, different backgrounds. And then you hear stories of patients who just the other day, one of the guys in the lobby who came here for his 3-month checkup, and he's got the all clear after having cancer right throughout his body. And you're like, are you serious? Like, did this really happen for you? Like, how can that happen? How can coming here for that amount of time? It's a miracle. Now, like, I'm really getting into a good momentum with my treatments, and I'm ticking them off. I'm like, yes, I've done this, I'm feeling good. I'm like, this is helping, I'm healing. I just want to get to that end of my time, and I want to then go home to my boys and do my 3-month at-home program and get to at that end point. And I look forward to coming back and hopefully, being one of those amazing stories you hear and hearing about people's amazing positive experiences. I want to be one of those people, and I think I can.